A video doorbell is a must these days, not only if you do a lot of online shopping and food delivery. Being able to see who's at the door is all about safety, especially if you happen to catch someone trying to break into your home. And those porch pirates stealing packages. Now you've got proof. The best video doorbell cameras have become more affordable, easier to install, and significantly smarter, too. We've tested the best ones on the market and compiled them in a list below. There are many products available to best video doorbell, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Satin Nickel with Ring Chime. This bundle contains Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Chime. 1080 PHD video doorbell with enhanced features that let you see, hear, and speak to anyone from your phone, tablet, or PC. An update from the original Ring Video Doorbell. Enjoy improved motion detection, privacy zones and audio privacy, and crisper night vision. Receive mobile notifications when anyone presses your doorbell or triggers your built-in motion sensors. Powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connects to existing doorbell wires for constant power. Easily set up by connecting your Ring Video Doorbell to Wi-Fi through the Ring app and mounting with the included tools. Number 2. Blink Video Doorbell Plus Sync Module 2. Two-way audio, HD video. Answer your door anytime, anywhere from your smartphone with 1080 PHD day and infrared night video and two-way audio. Experience up to 2 years of powerful battery life, custom alerts, privacy settings, and more. Choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the included Sync Module 2 and USB drive. Designed for every home. Go wire-free or connect to doorbell wiring to also sound your existing in-home chime. Without wiring, you can use your Blink mini camera as an indoor plug-in chime. Set up yourself in minutes with the 2 included AA lithium batteries, then connect to Wi-Fi in the app. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Convenient, essential features and a compact design. 1080 PHD wired video doorbell with two-way talk, advanced motion detection, standard 2.4 GHz connectivity, and customizable privacy settings. Get real-time notifications sent straight to your phone. To hear audio notifications in your home, pair with a Ring Chime, compatible Alexa device, or select the Video Doorbell Wired Plus Chime bundle. Note, the doorbell will not sound your existing chime. Advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your front door before they ring your doorbell. Number 4. Certified Refurbished Ring Video Doorbell Pro with HD Video. A certified refurbished Video Doorbell Pro is refurbished, tested, and certified to look and work like new and comes with the same limited warranty as a new device. 1080 PHD video doorbell that lets you see, hear, and speak to people from your phone, tablet, or select Echo device. Includes privacy features such as customizable privacy zones and audio privacy to focus only on what's relevant to you. Get notifications whenever motion is detected by customizing your motion zones. With Live View, you can check in on your home anytime through the Ring app. Easily set up your Ring Video Doorbell Pro by connecting to Wi-Fi via the Ring app and mounting in your desired location. Number 5. Ring Solar Panel for Ring Video Doorbell. Connects to Ring Video Doorbell for a continuous charge, so your Ring doorbell will stay charged around the clock. Ring recommends at least 3 minutes 4 hours of direct sunlight, depending on your usage. You will want to make sure there are no obstructions that could be casting a shadow on your Ring solar panel, such as an extended roof, trees, bushes, etc. Ability to recharge varies based on device settings, motion notifications, and sun exposure in the area of placement.